Photosynthesis video by Chance and Vincent. Photosynthesis happens in a special organelle called the chloroplast in a plant and bacteria. So you have this outer membrane right here that surrounds the chloroplast. The inside is the liquid called the stroma. There's these donut-shaped membrane called the thylakoids. Inside is dark green is the lumen, and the stack of them is the granum. So how exactly does photosynthesis happen? Well, it's a very complicated process. But first, you need water, the H2O right here, light, and carbon dioxide, which will be introduced later in the Calvin cycle. Well, first, the water is break up into the oxygen and the hydrogen. Oxygen diffuses out into the air, and we breathe it. And the light causes electrons to move from the photosystem 2 and photosystem 1, named by how it's found, and the electron goes all the way through and then until it reaches the outside and turns NADH to NHDHP, which is a type of energy that the plants and bacteria need to function. And then along the way, the hydrogen from the outside is also pumped inside, and along with the hydrogen that was already broke inside from the breaking up of the water molecule, moves outside through the ATP synthase and turn ADP into ATP, which is another usable energy source for the whole body. And the Calvin cycle I talked about earlier, that's how we turn these ATP and NADHP into actual sugar and glucose. So the carbon dioxide diffuses from the stroma inside and combined with the RUBP, a 5-carbon molecule, to form a 6-carbon molecule, which is later broken up into 2 3-carbon molecules, and then that can be transferred into G3P with the ATP and NADHP, which is and create a type of sugar, which can be glucose or sucrose, depending on the plant's need. Part of the G3P then goes back to the RUBP, the 5-carbon molecule needed to start this whole process. So that's why it's a cycle. And that's how photosynthesis occurs in the whole plant.